It's just been a blast to be back, and makes me feel good about where I went to school 45 years ago.
I think it's been fabulous. You know, probably the thing that I've noticed the most is that the campus is pristine. The people that are working here are pristine. I mean, they have done a fabulous job, and everything has been right on schedule, right on target. Everybody's been so friendly and accommodating. You know, I just wouldn't miss it.
Just sitting and visiting with people you knew and talking about old times and things that happened. It was great.
Just seems like yesterday we were here on campus.
The weekend has been wonderful. The weather is gorgeous. I haven't been back to Monmouth in over 20 years. The campus has changed so much. It's fabulous. I've had a great time and also connecting with friends that I went to school with.
It's been fun. First time back, 50 years. The place is much bigger, more buildings, more space.
This experience is really amazing. The focus is on the returning alumni. There's no football game, anything else that would distract from that. So you are the center of attention, and they just bend over backwards to make everything work.